Hi guys, this is a video of Arduino based acid patch detection robot prototype demonstration. These are a couple of pictures of the robot from the top. This is the frontal view of the robot. This is a closer view of the infrared detector array. It's the bottom view of the same detector. This infrared coupler will detect the acid patches. This part of the video shows how I mounted the sensor on the robot using a strip board. I did not have the access to the workshop and I did not have the proper tools, so I'm using this paper cutter to make the holes in the strip board in order to mount the sensor, as well as to see the LEDs on the sensors through this strip board. Now I'm cleaning the edges from the bottom so I can mount the sensor over here. Now I am mounting the sensor on the robot by using the screws. So let's just speed up this video here until I mount the sensor completely. So it's done, the sensor is mounted. Now I have to make a slot on this strip board so that I can take out the wire of the sensor from the bottom to the top of the robot. So let's increase the speed here also. So the slot is almost ready now, and I'm cutting the residue of the slot by the cutter. So let's take out this wire from the bottom of the robot to the top of it. Here we go. The wire is on the top. Now we will move on to the demonstration of the line following algorithm. This part of the video shows the performance of the robot line following algorithm. I implemented a type of pseudo proportional controller. The details of this algorithm can be seen in the report, which is already uploaded to the Git repository. And the code of the complete project is also over there. So let's move on to the main demonstration of the project. We will start the project by pressing the push button. The display on the LCD, on the second row of the LCD, we have two numbers. The first one represents the number of grid lines crossed, and the second one represents the number of patches detected. So right now we already crossed two grid lines but no patch. At this moment the robot is crossing the patch and it detects the patch. I will show the output here. So we can see that the robot already detected one patch. At the corner, when the robot turns, the increment of the grid lines is twice. That's why it is showing 6 here. Now it will cross it, it will turn again, and the increment will be twice. So we have 8 here, 8 grid lines and 1 patch. There is no patch over here also. Now the robot is passing through the patch, second patch, and now it is incremented. There is no patch in this block also. And when the grid line number equals to 11, the robot will move for a couple of seconds and then it will stop. Now the robot will give the output to the LCD as well as to the serial output. The output of the robot tells us the position and the number of patches detected. The 0 represents that there was no patch in that specific block, and 1 represents that there was a patch over there. So in the first and second blocks in the grid we did not detected any patch. In the third one we detected. In the fourth and sixth we did not detect any patch, and in the fifth we detected. So the total number of patches is 2, and that's what we can see on the LCD. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.